So, hi students, I have just moved the camera towards the board so that it would be very much visible for you to understand and to write. So, what is the elasticity of demand? I'm just saying the elasticity of demand is defined as a percentage change in quantity demanded due to 1% change in price. If price changes 1%, then what should be the quantity demanded? That is known as the elasticity of demand. So, here if I write elasticity E of demand ED equal to percentage change in quantity demanded, percentage change in quantity demanded by percentage change in price. Okay, so this is called the elasticity of demand. ED I have written. Okay, I have written ED is the elasticity of demand, that is according to its formula, percentage change in quantity demanded due to 1% change in price. That means due to 1% change in price means percentage change in price should come to the denominator. So similarly, the percentage change in price. Now the percentage change in price equal to, now I'm written now, equal to change in price by original price. What was the original price? Percentage change in into 100. Change in price by original price into 100. C. Okay. So therefore, elasticity of demand, therefore ED equal to change in quantity demanded by original quantity demanded. Percentage change in quantity demanded is change in quantity demanded. Percentage change in quantity demanded equal to change in quantity demanded divided by original. Change in quantity demanded by original quantity demanded, same as change in price into 100. See, is it clear? I hope it's clear. So elasticity of demand is percentage change in quantity demanded. We are putting this percentage change in quantity demanded, change in quantity demanded by original quantity demanded, original quantity demanded, okay, divided by percentage change in price. That means change in price divided by original price. I'm just putting the formulas. ED equal to percentage change in quantity demanded by percentage change in price. Now percentage change in price equal to change in price by original price into 100. Percentage change in quantity demanded is equal to change in quantity demanded by original quantity demanded into 100. So ED equal to change in quantity demanded by original quantity demanded, that is change in quantity demanded, over divided by change in price means change in price divided by original price, and 100 both are gone because they are, whenever I am dividing 100 divided by 100 into 100, this is obsolete. Okay, this has been obsolete. So elasticity of demand comes ED equal to change in QD by original QD divided by change in price by original price into 100 by 100. This has become obsolete. Clear? Is it clear? Everybody, please pause the video and see the deductions. Pause the video and see the deductions. Carefully, very carefully. I have done only I have put the formulas. ED equal to change in quantity demanded divided by change in price, percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. Now, percentage change in quantity demanded is change in price by original price. Percentage change in price means due to 1% change in price, how the original price is changing. That is change in price by original price into 100. And percentage change in quantity demanded means due to 1% change in quantity demanded, what is the original quantity demanded? That is change in quantity demanded by original quantity demanded into 100. Just I have put this formula over here. Change in quantity demanded is change in quantity demanded by original quantity demanded divided by change in price means change in price by original price into 100. So, ED equal to change in quantity demanded by original quantity demanded divided by change in price by original price into 100 by 100, obsolete. Clear? Is that clear? So now we will be doing one sum to understand. Okay? Let's do the sum. Suppose when the price of any commodity, suppose price of any commodity is 2 per unit. Okay? And the demand for that commodity is 50 unit at 2 rupees per unit price. Okay. So now the price has changed to P1. We are thinking that price has risen to 3 per unit and quantity demanded D1 has fallen to 40 unit. Okay. So how we will be deriving here the elasticity of demand. So elasticity of demand, what is elasticity of demand? Percentage change in quantity demanded. That is change in quantity demanded divided by original quantity demanded. Change in quantity demanded, what is the change in quantity demanded? Quantity demanded equal to change in quantity demanded. Change in quantity demanded, what is the change in quantity demanded? 40 minus 50 by 50. Original quantity demanded was 50. It was original quantity demanded and this is change in quantity demanded. ठीक है? See. Is it clear? Now, percentage change in quantity demanded, change in price. Now we will have to derive change in price, otherwise we cannot do the elasticity. So change in, what would be the change in price? Change in price would be 3 minus 2 by 2. Original price was 2. This is original price and this is change in price. See. Is it clear? You can pause the video and see. Now, elasticity. What would be the elasticity? Elasticity of demand would be change in percentage change in quantity demanded this is into 100 and this is into 100. Okay. And this becomes minus 10 by 50, that is minus 1 by 5, and this is half. So percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. Equal to 2 by 5. 1 by 2 by 1 by 5. Sorry, 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 5 into 2 equal to minus, here there will be minus 2 by 5. See. So here it is less than 1 and negative. So if the demand curve is sloping downward, change in quantity demanded will be opposite direction. Okay. If the change in price is positive, the change in quantity demanded is negative and vice versa. For this reason, the elasticity of demand is negative. If the demand curve is downward sloping, the absolute value of elasticity of demand is 2 by 5. If the demand curve is downward sloping, so absolute value is of elasticity is not negative. This is positive. That is 2 by 5. You should note this. Okay. So I hope everything is clear to everybody else. You can pause the video and just take a screenshot and you can write this. Everything. Is it okay? I hope I'm enough clear. Okay? So chalo, let's bye for today. Tomorrow we will be coming with a measurement of elasticity demand on a straight line demand curve.